So it's almost 5:30, the day before my son's 8th birthday, and I wanted a simple, quick meal, and we're doing one from our pantry.
My birthday.
Hello. Yeah, so meals from our pantry. We eat these all the time. This is our primary. This is just the way we eat now. It's we eat, either freeze dried. We have fresh too, but we rely less and less on the grocery store for anything except for fresh fruit and veg, and that's really kind of where we're at right now in our journey. So I'm going to show you what we have, and this is just a super quick video. So yeah, this is dinner. So what I made is it's a Chinese recipe. It's like more for a dim sum, but I did it in jars. It is pork in black bean sauce, and we are having it over Instant Pot steamed rice, just plain white rice. It is more like a kokohu kind of rice. And I have kimchi that I made, and it's just been hanging out in the fridge, and it's still delicious. I made 2 of these big guys, and it will be my primary vegetable today. Little freeze-dried green onions. This is just to show you where it came from. This is the actual pork and black bean sauce. And we just had a couple eggs left over from earlier today, so we're gonna make use of those, cut them up, and serve it in a bowl. And yeah, just stir it up and have a meal. It doesn't have to be complicated. You could add some steamed broccoli on the side, but we're going to be lazy tonight and just eat from our preps. I know it was super stupid easy recipe today. I'm going to just bowl it up and show you how I eat it. Okay, so yeah, there it is. Just an egg on the side, some kimchi. The reason this is purple is because I added beets and purple cabbage.
I heard 8th birthday at the start of that. Yeah,
you did. I just put a little bit of the pork in the black bean sauce, and that's it for me. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of cilantro and some green onion, and that's dinner. It took me probably 5 minutes to put this together in total. So just for contrast, I wanted to show you what my kids eat, because they don't eat the same thing as we do. My husband and I have a very eclectic palate, and our children are not there yet. So instead of making them adjust to our palate, we adjust to their palate. So we do serve pretty much the same thing that we normally would serve for ourselves, except we modify it slightly. So they're not going to eat the kimchi, so they get the fresh vegetables of their choice. And fruit is not optional for them. They need to have a fruit. They both have the rice that we have. My daughter really likes it fried with eggs, so I quickly scrambled up an egg and mixed it with the rice. And my son chose to have it plain. And they both get an egg, and they both get 1 bite of the pork to try, because we're not going to force a full serving on them, but we do want them to taste it, don't we?
Yeah.
Do a video and show you how I made the pork and black bean sauce, because this is probably going to be a staple in our pantry, because it's really good. I just had to make it first to try it before I shared it, make sure it's okay. But thanks for hanging out, and I will see you in the next one.